Finn decided to poop before I turned the video on, which is nice. That's very thoughtful of him. It's very thoughtful of you, Mr. Finnegan. Oh, he found the birds already. Let's see how you do in the field, Finn. Come on. I know he's teasing you. Come on. Good boy. You don't know who Finn is? Finn's the big Ryman setter we have here. Very good breeder. Very healthy dog. About 14 months old. He did get a haircut the other day from me. There's two different kinds of setter people in the world. The kind of people that give their dog a haircut because they know that it's where it catches all the burrs and everything else. Then there's the people that think you should get the death penalty for cutting the hair in your setter. Finn, we got an east wind again. Let's go over here. East or west? East or west? It doesn't know where it wants to go. This is going to be... We had Finn on birds the other day. Oh, you're pooping again. Okay. Backwards point. We had him on birds the other day. Didn't see much excitement at all in him. But that was his first bird. So we're going to put him on birds again today. See if he remembers it. See if he wants to point. And kind of go from there. Come on, big guy. Finn isn't going to be the kind of dog that's going to tear the field apart. Okay, he's going to be a slower, more methodical hunter. I'm going to guide him toward these first couple birds. Ears went forward, he got scent of it. Watch him figure this one out. Come here. Come here, Finn. Here. 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 There it is. You got to see him hit the e-brake. Finn, here. I saw you hit the e-brake. Good boy. Where's the bird? Where is it? Where is it? Here, here. It's funny to watch the different styles here. I'm going to post a video of Maggie who wants to tear that apart. You see Finn right here. He kind of wants to avoid that launcher. He's not quite sure about it yet. But as soon as that bird launched out of it, then his tail goes up, he starts chasing it. He wants to have fun. So... this is a very important video to watch for those of you that are training a dog that might be seeing problems like this, or you might be seeing your dog hesitant like this, because this is going to show you what can happen in a short period of time. Because 30 days from now, that dog's going to want to rip that launcher apart like Maggie did. Right now, he's unsure about it. Good boy. You can still see him get downwind of it and kind of like, huh, what is that? You'll watch. I'm going to pause this. Now we're going to get him downwind of this one. See what kind of reaction we get. Here. He smells it already. Good boy. Good boy. Where's the bird? Oop, e-brake again. Good boy, Finn. There we go. That's what I want to see. There you go. Good boy, Fan. Good boy. What is it? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Just in a 5-minute video, you watched the dog go from, what is that? I'm not sure about that. What are you making me do? To jumping 8 feet in the air trying to catch a bird out of the launcher. That's a good boy. Look at it. Look at him. Now we got a whole different dog. Yeah. We just woke the beast up, didn't we? Look at him search now. Nose down, tail's wagging. He's like, is there more out here? Where is it, Finn? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, I think we've awoken the beast. You got a little mud on you. That's good. Still want to pee on everything, huh? He's neutered. He's gonna have a really good point. He's gonna have a very nice point. All right, I'm gonna stop this before it gets too long.